Hello and welcome. This is Swahili Visualized, and we're continuing with our practice on how to construct simple Swahili sentences. Now, we've already reviewed these pronouns. Mimi means I or me. Sisi means us or even we. Yeye means him, her, he or she. Hao means them or they. Wewe means you, just one person. Nyinyi means you, like you all, plural. And then usually we use other pronouns just before the verb. So for example, ni means I. So you can say mimi, ni. So those two means I. But if you just say ni without mimi, it still implies mimi. But they're usually used together. And I'll show you how to construct the sentences with that. A means him or her. You could say yeye a. And then u is you. So wewe u. Wa is for they or them. So remember they or them. Hao, and then wa. It means you, all of you. U is just one of you, and then mu is all of you. Now, we've already looked at these verbs. Lala means to sleep. Kula, eat. Cheza, play. Imba, sing. Enda, go. Furahi means happy or rejoice. Lia, cry. Imba, sing. Ruka, jump. And then the last part is tenses. Past tense, we use that word li. We add that in the sentence, li. Present tense, we add na. Future tense, we add ta. And then days, yesterday we say jana. Today is leo. Tomorrow, kesho. Before something happens, you say kabla. After, you say baadaye or just baada. After. Now let's put this together and construct sentences. Now look at what we're going to do. We're going to take past tense. That means we're going to use li. And then we're going to use one of the verbs. Say imba, that's sing. So here we have li for past tense. We have imba to mean sing. And then we want to say I. We say ni. Remember, ni is for I. And you use it with mimi. We saw that from here. So how do you make a sentence out of that? You start with the mimi and then ni, and therefore you will say, so remember, mimi and ni. So it will be mimi, ni, so that means I. And then remember we want to use sing, so we use imba, but we want to use the past tense, which is li. So mimi, ni, li, so that's the tense, and then imba. That's a verb. And that basically means I. And then this is past tense. So that's past. And this is sing. So when you put them together, it becomes sang. So I sang. So looking at that, the basic structure for Swahili sentences are, you take these together, that's pronoun. And then next is tense, and then the last part is verb. Very simple. Pronoun, tense, and verb. So let's choose another example. And let's say we use kula for eat. So we know the verb there is kula. And then for tense, let's say future tense. And future tense, we use ta. So for tense, we use ta. And then for pronoun, let's say we want to say we. So tu. So for pronoun, for instead of that ni, we use tu. And then remember that goes with sisi for we. So here you put sisi. So the sentence becomes, putting them together, sisi, and then tu, that's still part of the pronoun, and now connect it to the tense, which is ta, and then verb, kula. Sisi tutakula. That means we will eat. Thank you very much for your time. If you enjoyed this presentation, please like the video. We also need your support. Please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.